If you work with 3D assets, knowing how to properly import FBX files can save you a lot of time and prevent scaling or animation issues. In this video, you'll learn how to import FBX and Nuke files into your scene using the Read Geo node and using the FBX import panel, so you can choose the method that best fits your workflow. We'll start with the quick node-based approach, which is perfect when you want fast results with minimal setup. In your node graph, press the Tab key to open the search menu, type Read Geo, and press Enter. This will place a Read Geo node into your workspace. With the node selected, go to the Properties panel and click the folder icon. Browse to your FBX file and select it. As soon as the file is loaded, the node reads the FBX package and brings in all the elements it contains, including mesh geometry, cameras, lights, and any embedded animation data. This method is ideal when you want a direct link to a single FBX file and prefer a straightforward setup. If the FBX includes animation, the timeline will automatically recognize it, so your scene elements move exactly as they should. When previewing the result, keep in mind that FBX scale depends on how the file was authored. It's always a good idea to check how the model sits in your scene to make sure it imported at the correct size. If you need more control over what gets imported, the FBX import panel is the better option. Go to the top menu and select File, then Import, and choose FBX. This opens a dedicated dialog designed for precise control over your import settings. From here, you can choose exactly which elements to bring into your project. For example, you might import only cameras when matching an existing render, only lights when rebuilding a lighting setup, or only meshes when creating a 3D composite. This selective importing helps keep your scene clean and organized. The dialog also allows you to set frame ranges, which is especially useful when the FBX contains animation that doesn't start at frame 1 or only covers a specific shot. Matching the frame range to your project ensures that all keyframes stay synchronized with your timeline. You can also adjust scale settings during the import process. This is important when the FBX uses different units than your project. Setting the correct scale here ensures that geometry, cameras, and lights align properly with the rest of your scene without requiring extra adjustments later. Using the Read Geo node gives you a fast, node-centric way to bring in an FBX file exactly as it is, while the FBX import panel gives you fine-grained control over what gets imported, along with options for frame range and scale. With these two approaches, you can switch easily between speed and precision depending on what your project needs. Now you're ready to import FBX files confidently and keep your scenes organized and accurate. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the rest of the tutorials for more tips on improving your 3D workflow.